In this tutorial, we're going to see how the site admin can create a user pool for all the site so that projects within that site can select some of those users from this user pool and assign them to projects. So in order to do this, I'm going to log in as a site manager. And when I log in as the site manager, it shows me a number of things here. So if I click on user pool here, it will show me the current users in the user pool. If this is a new site that you have not created any users before, then it will show only the site manager as a user. So once I click on new user, it gives me this screen where I can actually add new users. So of course you can enter first name, last name, phone number, email address is required, and username is going to be set up by the system. So let me Jack Daniel, and then the user name is created automatically. You can enter user number and an email, and J and Daniel at yahoo.com, whatever. Ideally, it's going to be the company name. So now what's important on this screen is that you need to specify what type of user you're creating. A user type here can be any one of those or all of them. So below here is the definition of the privileges for each one of the user type. So you can create another site manager if you wanted to, most likely not, but you can create a person to be a product owner and also a project manager. And down here are the privileges that each one of those roles would have. So simply and release manager, or you can just leave all that. You can click all of them because also a team member, but also a customer. If you define a user as a customer only, they only have access to reports. A customer cannot really work with the system except they can see reports. But a team member can do all kind of activities in a project. Of course, the release manager decides on releases. You can read the details of those roles down here. Project manager or a scrum master have the same kind of privileges. A product owner has different types of privileges, which is simply creating a new product and possibly creating projects under that product. A project manager can also create projects. A site manager has only the things that can be done here. So, but that's about it really to create a user pool. And all what you have to do is say save. And when you see save, it goes back to the screen that has all the users that have been created with this person being added to the pool. Now, once the site manager does this, then a project manager or a scrum master can go and create a project and then add team members to this project, which is explained in a different tutorial. But the first thing that needs to be done is creating a user pool. Then project managers can select some of those people in the user pool to work on different projects.